Good day, Jamaicans. We have a problem here in Portmore, and I want you to bear with me. Walk with me as we go through and see what the issue is. You know, recently they've been upgrading the Port Henderson Road, and it's a nice look, not tell a lie. You know, driving along the highway kind of reminds you that, yeah, a little development going on in Jamaica. Not much, but a little development, and for that we are glad. The powers that be, the authorities said that they want to alleviate the traffic problem in Portmore. But this new development seems to be causing much more traffic problem than anything else. And the reason I'm saying this now is very simple. Last week, Friday, the 18th of October 2019, the guys from Portmore crew decided that would take a little respite from all the work that we've been doing. So we decided that we'd go over to Pepperwood Jerk and then probably kick it back at Buzzers for a little entertainment. That is Pepperwood Jerk, where they sell the best jerk in all of Jamaica. That's at 1A Congreve Park, Port Henderson, Portmore. You can get them at 627-6792. Now then, back to what I was saying. Oh yes, back to what I was saying. So there we are now, driving on a nice newly built road and deciding that here, over on the right here is a gas station. Yeah, we all know the gas station at Naggo Head. See it on the right here. And you notice they're still digging up because they're going into a next phase of the thing now, where they are going to attempt to fix the you call it a roundabout and make traffic a little smoother. But if you look on the right hand side going down, now we're going from Naggo Head, going back down to as if you're exiting Portmore. Alright? So now we come to the newly established stoplight. That's at the intersection of Port Henderson Road and German Road on your left. And you can drive through now to go over to Pepperwood and Buzzers and all these places. Ken Wildflower. This is one of the entrances them. The other one is by the other roundabout down at the bottom. And now you come to the stoplight. And the big problem we're having here is that the people who are driving on Port Henderson Road don't want to stop when it is their time to stop. So the stoplight says stop for them, but because there's so much in traffic, everybody block up the exit entrance to go over to Buzzers / Pepperwood / Ken's Wildflower / gas station / a whole bunch of other places, hardware, this, you name it. We can't go in and we can't come out. What go on? How this thing become such a problem? I want to make a right turn for go over. I can't make it. People want to make a turn to come out. That is left turn. Can't come out. See? Shortly you'll see where we get the green light. And when we get the green light, you see that we cannot make a right turn because people block up the road. See? Block up the road. Now, we inch down a little, get a little filter light to go over and watch the problem now. Cannot move. So what do you do like a law-abiding citizen? You wait. Okay? You wait because that is how well-behaved every citizen should be. It shouldn't be that you try some miraculous thing and try drive over the people in car and stuff. But again, been waiting at the stoplight should not be waiting for so long. And you're still here trying to wait because now you don't have any filter to go over, you know? And the way is not clear enough that you can proceed on this green light. So you have to wait. Bear with me, people. Bear with me. We're looking at the big issues that is happening now. So we continue. And don't get me wrong, development is good. Development, once it is structured and it is beneficial to everybody, it is good. And that is what we are looking for. We want Portmore, and by extension Jamaica, to be the envy of the world. We want people to see that yes, we can organize ourselves and we can do the things necessary for growth and development. And we have a well-behaved driving population here. Notice this taxi man just shut it out of the corner and come round, and again he is causing blockage because he see where the light is going to change on him and now it's preventing us from going around because we're at the head of the line. Notice we get the green filter from when? Now the green light catch us again, and we still have not moved. So now we have to take things a little more serious and start to push forward. What if this was somebody who wasn't experienced in driving and decided that, hey, you know, we have to wait until the green filter comes on for us to move? It shouldn't be. See the problem going now? People don't even want to stop to say, all right, we noticed that you were over there waiting for a long time. Let us acknowledge and give you passage over because it's unfair. Again, we have to be pushing over. See the long line of people coming from down Ken's Wildflower side and the gas station side. And because of that, we just decided, you know what? Let's not go down to Pepperwood where they make the best jerk, I tell you right now. Let's go down to Buzzers and just get the frustration off in some shoot 'em up games. And we can then proceed to have some food when the hunger really kicks in. And that's it. Tell us what you think, because trust me, look, all that traffic going down, it's worse than what it was before. And we're not here to criticize and to cause problems. We're just here to point out the issues, and hopefully wiser people than us can come to the realization and devise a better plan. It needs to be sorted out. Oh, on top of it too, boy, you can't fix them road are terrible, you know. Look on the pothole them, man. This on them pothole. Look at the garages in the road surface. Municipality, whoever responsible for it, please sort it out, because you can't have places of entertainment and have all of this foolishness going on. Again, guys, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, if you come to Buzzers and the parking lot is full, don't worry. There's parking across the road, almost opposite the building. There'll be security there to help you to park, and it's not 100% spacious, but it's an open parking lot with lighting. So there you go. Thanks again. Bye, guys.